Do you have the desire or passion to break into the IT world, but do not have the money to register for a course or a bootcamp? Then this lesson is exactly for you. There are ways to start without spending money. For example, if you are interested in cybersecurity, you can register on platforms like Hack the Box or Try Hack Me, then learn essential things like Windows fundamentals, Linux fundamentals, and more. If you are interested in network engineering, you can register for free on NetAcad and take free courses they have. I'll recommend you start by learning Packet Tracer as it is an important tool to learn for practical or lab test. If you want to learn more, make sure you watch till the end of the lesson. Welcome to another lesson of Technology for All Academy, an academy that teaches you information communication technology for free. To mention but a few, we have CISCO-SERIES and MicroTik-SERIES, and we will be doing other vendor series in the future. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Thaba Makobe, the founder of Technology for All Academy. Without wasting time, I've already opened my Firefox. I'll type NetAcad to open our Network Academy website. On their website, I'll click on login, and since you don't have an account, you go to click sign up, and then you follow all the steps that's required to sign up. Now let me open my account, and this is my courses on my learning dashboard. Okay, the course that I said you must do is getting started with Cisco Packet Tracer. I'll open it. It has 3 modules, and each module has its own summative or assessment. Okay, let me go down. I want us to work through together on this Packet Tracer tutored activity, logic and physical mode exploration. Now that our activity is open, let's read the objectives. It says investigate devices in a wiring closet. Background by yourself. I'm not going to go through the background. And now we have the first question. It says in physical mode, what are the cities connected? And at the bottom we have the message there that says this is a free response question. It is one of many questions here to check your understanding. Be sure to respond to each question. And we can see on our topology the cities. The next question says in physical mode, what is the name of the submarine cable? And as you can see, our submarine cable is Alaska United West, which is in brackets AU-West. In logic mode, what are the wireless devices in the teleworker home? This is what? This is the teleworker home. And then we want the wireless devices in the teleworker home. Our wireless devices are smartphone and home laptop. Let's answer. And then the following question says in physical mode, what facility can you enter? Say what? Alaska location. I'll go to physical mode and let's go to say what. And the facility that we can enter is the branch office. And then the following question says which location can you enter in the other city? Let's go back. Warathen. And then in Warathen we can also enter the data center. We're done. Let's submit our answers. I'll click next. It says this is a checklist item. You are now at a branch office wiring closet. Before we can move on, check out this prompt here. Occasionally, pop-ups such as this one you see here will show you feedback or hint. Okay, let's work on the next task. Remember, if you get stuck, you can always click on the hint button to get hint. Okay, let's start. You are now at the branch office wiring closet. It says connect PC1 first Ethernet 0 to an empty first Ethernet port on. Let's go to our Ethernet port. Okay, let me drag down, select the cable. We have the cable. I'll click on Ethernet 0 and let's go to ALS. And then you get the message you are getting the hang of this. Looks like you did everything here. The next button at the bottom right of the instruction window is activated now. Click Click on it to proceed with the rest of this activity. PCs and laptops can also be connected to network devices using a console cable or a USB cable. This connection provides management access. Management access is used to view and change device configuration. In this step, you will connect a PC to a router using a console cable on PC 1 to the console port on the edge router. There's our edge router, my RS-232, to the console port. Let's click next. You will install and power up a new router in the. You will also connect to this device via the USB console with a USB cable. Then let's turn it on. Connect laptop onto the backup. Okay, let's click next. You have connected laptop 1 to backup router via the USB console. On laptop 1, access the desktop tab and click terminal. The terminal console is already set with necessary port configuration and should be used with its default settings. Click OK to initiate the terminal connection. Okay, let's go to the laptop. Let me minimize my working station. Let's go to the laptop. Click the laptop. Go to desktop and then we go click OK. We don't want to enter this, I know. Let's press enter. The terminal shows router prompt. You are now at the command line for backup router and you should see the following output. Enter the following command in bold to name the router. Edge router backup. Note that the host name must match this value exactly. Let me go back to laptop 1. Let's type enable, then configure terminal. You can type it in short or type conft, and host name, they want it to be edge underscore router underscore, and then enter. Notice that the host name changed from router to edge underscore router underscore backup. Close the laptop 1 window and return to branch office wiring closet. Okay, let me close it, and we have to return to the branch office wiring closet. Let's reflect on what you just accomplished. Beside Ethernet and the console cable, what other ways to connect devices? Wireless. We are not sure where is it. And we also use the USB mouse. Let me say USB. What is the difference between the wiring closet, rack, table, and shelf? Okay, my answer is wiring closet is used to store network equipment like routers and switches. Table is used for client devices like PCs and laptops. Shelf is used to store spare devices. Okay, let me go down. How does logical mode differ from physical mode? In logical mode, we can configure our devices, and physical allows us to see the topology. Okay, let me go down. Okay, I'll click submit. Great, click next to continue. Let me click next. And then this is the summary screen. On the screen, you are shown all the learning objectives that you have accomplished in this activity, as well as the possible answers to the reflection questions. Saving your work. You can save your work in this activity by clicking File and Save on the top left of the Packet Tracer application. You will also see a prompt when closing Packet Tracer. Hope this lesson was informative and beneficial. If you benefited a lot from this lesson, please don't hesitate to share it with someone who will also benefit from it. And please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be notified whenever we drop another lesson. Let me love and leave you. Have a blessed day.